Welcome to my channel Hospitality Desk. Today we are going to discuss a topic which is going to help a lot for all the training, all the associates, all the supervisor and manager who is handling a restaurant. Today we will discuss about the clearing the table is more important for a guest satisfaction or guest services. For the guest review, guest feedback, this is only the topic. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get more notification of this kind of video. Let's do the practice. So here we can see the guests are having the main course. First, while we are clearing, we have to keep few things in the mind, either guests have finished their meal or not. Same we can understand with the guest cutlery signage. Clearing the plates, we have to see either guests have completed their meal or not. You can check the cutlery of the posture of the cutlery on the plate if the guests have kept their cutlery in a parallel on the plates or they keep in a cross. So we have to understand they are finished their meal. If there is a confusion, again you can ask the guest, may I clear your plates, ma'am? Then you have to start clearing. Stack you have to do in the left hand on the first thumb, and your fork and spoon will be on this posture. Again another one in the right hand, stack in the left hand, and spoon and fork you have to stack like this. On that you have to take the BNB plates and knife will be like this. While taking the clearance in your hand, you have to keep it in the mind, there should be very less noise. It should be not sound, so guests will be get irritated. Okay. So here you have to clear everything apart from your water goblet and the napkins. Whatever the leftover bowl will be there, this all you have to remove from the guest table. Before serving the desserts, you have to remove the fruit set as well as, and if you want you can remove the flower pot as well as. So you don't forget to pull down your dessert spoon and dessert fork. You can see before dessert nothing is on the table, your table is fully clean, only the water goblet and the dessert cutlery and the napkins will be there. So here you can cram the table, something is there means it will be nicely clean before serving the desserts. So now while serving the dessert, you have to keep in the mind, you have to start from the ladies. So the desserts. Yes, you can see the table is fully empty, dessert is completed, there is no bowl, no flower vase, no cutlery, everything guest had the dinner. And before presenting the bill, you ensure that your table will be clean and crumbed like this only. Do not present the bill with a dirty table or a dirty cutlery, crockery while is already there. Before presenting the bill, you ensure that everything should be cleared from the table. After that, you can present the bill. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching the video.